This is NBC4 News at 5.
CDC issued a warning earlier this week not to travel this Thanksgiving if you don't have to. This is a live look at LAX. But despite that warning, not everyone is canceling their plans. Our cameras were there today at the airport, and while it wasn't packed, there was a steady number of people ready to hop on a plane. None of them did agree to talk to our crew, but NBC4's Kim Tobin is joining us live with the very latest from the newsroom. Kim?
And Kathy and Robert, we are still waiting to hear from LA County Public Health tonight to get a look at the number of cases recorded today. And this is really crucial now. We are trying to stay under that 4,500 case rate that could send us back into a safer at home order. Hospitalizations are key as well, as the county will determine what comes next as more space is taken up. As Southern California continues to see COVID cases climb, a curfew will be in place once again in LA County tonight. Public health officials trying to reduce the risk of infections by shutting down gatherings earlier in hopes of stopping the healthcare system from getting swamped.
The potential for our hospitals to be overwhelmed, for people to get sicker and to possibly run out of the capacity at our hospitals.
Dr. Richard Seidman with LA Care Health Plan says hospitals can expand and add beds, but adding doctors and nurses would be an even greater challenge. And healthcare officials say what we can all do to keep the numbers down is very simple.
Masking, social distancing, frequent hand washing are the very most important things that all of us can and should be doing every day.
LA County Sheriff Alex Villanueva attending a food drive today and says when it comes to enforcing the nighttime curfew, the department plans to go for an educational approach.
So if people are out late at night partying, well, that's what this whole move by the governor is designed for. We're not going to take a hard hand enforcement approach on that. We're looking for voluntary compliance.
Many people stockpiling goods, fearing another shutdown is coming. LA County health officials say if cases average more than 4,500 a day for a 5-day period, or hospitals reach up to 2,000 patients, the county will go back into lockdown and impose a safer at home order for 3 weeks. Meantime, the U.S. reaching more than 12 million confirmed cases with more than 255,000 deaths. In places like El Paso, Texas, they're planning to bring in the National Guard to help them move their dead from overrun mortuaries. A grim outlook as Thanksgiving is days away, and public health officials plead with everyone to do what's right to keep others safe. So again, we have not heard from LA County just yet about those numbers. We hope to have them for you in our 6 o'clock newscast, and of course we'll put them online for you as soon as they come out. Dr. Barbara Ferrer with LA County says they will be monitoring the weekend numbers, the cases, the hospitalizations. If they do plan to impose another safer at home order, she says we will have a 3-day heads up beforehand. In the newsroom, Kim Tobin, NBC4 News.